Topic number 3, substitution. What this means, it means n is equal to 7 times d plus 3 times e. So what I need to do is replace my values. N is 26, so I'm putting 26 here. And that's equal to 7 times d, and it's telling me that d is 2. So 7 times 2 plus 3 times e, and that's what we're finding out, is equal to 26. So work out what 7 times 2 is, because we can. 7 2s are 14, and I'm left with 26 is 14 times plus 3 times e. This must be 12. 3 times e must be 12, because 12 add 14 makes 26. Or you can use equations. You can take the plus 14 over. So the opposite of plus 14 is take away 14. So 26 take away 14 is 12. So I get 3 times e is 12. So if 3 times something is 12, 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. So e is 4, because 3 times 4 is 12, plus 14 is 26. Next one, a little bit more straightforward. You got 3 times x, so you get 3 times minus 2, plus 4 times y, and y is 4, so it's 4 times 4. A positive times a negative is a negative. 3 2s are 6. 4 times 4 is 16, so you get minus 6 plus 16. If you start at minus 6 and then you count up 16, 6 of them would take you back to 0, and you got an extra 10. So the answer to that one is plus 10. The third one, you have 2 times t, and t is 11. So 2 times 11 is equal to 4 plus 3k. So we want to find what 1k is. So 2 times 11 is 22. So 22 is equal to 4 plus 3k. This 3k must be 18 then, because the equations must balance, and 18 add 4 is 22. The opposite of add 4 is take away 4. So 22 take away 4 is 18. So I have 3k is equal to 18. And then, because 3 times something is 18, the answer is going to be 6. Because the opposite of times 3 is divide by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is 6.